How to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start scrolling automatically on your Instagram Reels. So the very first thing you need to do is turn on the voice control access on your Instagram. So go ahead and open up your phone settings first, and from here you're going to find the accessibility settings. Now tap on hearing enhancement, or it might be different depending on the device you have. I'm just going to have this on the interaction and dexterity, and now you just have to turn on the voice access. Go ahead and turn this one on and allow this. So as you can see here, you can give this controls like go home, go back, show notification, and many more. Now you will find this little toggle button on the voice access. You can also turn on the voice accent shortcut. And on the settings, you can add different commands here as well. Now, once you do that, you just want to head over to your Instagram and then go to the Reels section. Go ahead and tap on Reels. And once you do that, you can just tell the voice access to swipe up. And if you have set your voice access, you can just tell the voice access to swipe up and it will start swiping on your Instagram Reels. And if you say swipe down, it will go back to the previous Reels. So you can just do that and your Reels will be automatically scrolled. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.